Hi
Good morning,
everyone.
everyone. We are in,
San Augustinillo.
excuse me. So we got here
Day one.
yesterday, yeah, and it's absolutely stunning. So we're gonna take you on our first little walk. Went for dinner last night. It was nice, but it always takes a day or so to get used to a place. 3 connected beaches here: Mazunte, San Agustinillo, and Zibote.
Zipolite.
We are butchering the names of all of these, so we will figure it out.
It's just
Let's
ad-lib at this
go.
part.
Okay, here we go. We are walking. So we counted the steps at our place last night. It's very beautiful. From the road to our room at the top is 103 steps.
We're gonna have firm butts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this week.
Absolutely.
Hola, buenos días.
Beautiful breeze here. And I just think it's a really cool place. Local baños. Coming out onto the beach. Wow.
So I believe this beach is called Elefante.
Ah.
And it's called that because it kind of looks like an elephant. It's a trunk at the tip that separates 2 beaches. One going into Mazunte and one going into San Augustinillo. I think that's the meaning. I'll get it.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, this looks like a really nice little cove for swimming. And you can rent these umbrellas. Oh, this is gorgeous. So that's Mazunte way over there. This is really beautiful. You can see that everything is up high here. So this is just one of the coves here. Really beautiful. Absolutely stunning coves here. There's tons. That's Mazunte way over there. Oaxaca Beach. You can rent these little chairs and umbrellas where Patrick is. We're going to take you on a walk. So there's all sorts of accommodation here. Beachfront, back where we are. We kind of check prices. I think they run anywhere from a basic room with a bed and a fan and a bathroom at about $210 Canadian up to about $250. So you can find them on VRBO, Airbnb. Some of them are great. I don't know about staying right here on the beach. We looked at these ones last night. They're $210 Canadian, just a room with a bed and a bathroom, but you're smack on the beach. Always great to lend a hand on the beaches when they're trying to get boats in. We find this in all of the communities in Mexico, that they have to roll them down on these sticks. Sometimes they use pop bottles with a large water in them, but right now they're trying to get this boat in, so it's important never to just walk by, but to lend a hand, just being a good human. Holy moly. Here we go. Uno, dos, tres. Waiting for the tide. There we go. I think they're probably going out. Whale watching. We saw some whales, bajinas this morning through the binoculars. There you go. Off they go. Here we go again. 3 feet down the beach. Patrick Patrick's getting his exercise. People come along the beach, everybody lends a hand. Very cool down here. Well, most Mexican villages that we go to, everybody helps. They're getting them up on these logs so that they can roll them. Watch how fast these guys come in. There we go, trying to push it. Oh my god, I hope you fell down back. And if you watch in the background, you'll see this other boat coming in at probably full throttle. That one. More people coming. Okay, here comes this boat. Am I in the way? Coming here. Watch how fast. Can you imagine being on that boat and watching this? Right, here we go after Patrick doing his workout. How was that, hun?
That's fine. Always.
Now we're gonna walk way down there. The Golete is way down there. Probably won't get that far. But this is another side of the beach. Pretty spectacular here. Hey Patrick.
Hey!
Beautiful day. This is senior travelers on and off the beaten path. There's some
Patrick and Gail, this is something else. This beach. I mean, you could surf, it breaks further out,
Talk louder, honey.
but I don't think it would be too safe. It's long, there's nobody on it at the moment. The sand is beautiful. As Gail described it, it's very Hawaiian. And it's flat to walk right now, and there's no rocks to go for a swim, which I plan to do shortly.
Hoping you can hear me, so we're just walking down the beach from where we were, and it's really stunning. I mean, there's nobody around. Beautiful, warm, very cool place. Little places you can stay up there. Gorgeous, huh? Check out those places. So I need to find out what those are. Like little hives overlooking this incredibly spectacular beach. Would be something to check out for sure. Here's an up close view for you guys. So if you want to go somewhere, be remote, just R&R, paint right, just be. This might be a cool area, and I will see if I can find out what it is. We are still walking this long. Pretty blast. So I was just saying to Patrick that I think this place we're at right now, these three beaches. By the way, it's senior travel on and off the beaten track. It's probably one of the most beautiful beaches and terrain I have seen in all of our travels, and we've definitely been traveling over. So, what were you saying, Patrick?
Well, it just compares with the nicest beaches that we have in Canada and elsewhere we've been to. I mean, it's flat. It's awesome for walking.
Yeah.
And
Incredible.
the sand is great.
Something
I
about
could do this for hours
the
and hours.
vibe here is very, very cool, and we've only been here for a day and a quarter.
Not a day.
Yeah.
Not even.
Not
Oh,
even
yeah.
a day. For a great little swim here. Kind of reminds me of Oaxaca.